everyone, thank you so much for joining my Emulsions Masterclass. In this Masterclass, it's going to be divided into two parts. So the first part is going to be your lotions and creams. The second part is everything about gels, oleo gels, gel to milk formulation. That's the newer one, and I'm just very happy to have penned this program because this is none like the other. Just for perspective, I had to enroll with two courses that's amounting to somewhere near $700 and $600 each to be able to firm up and formulate this course. So you guys are having so much savings to begin with. This course is offered at a very, very friendly rate, a very, very affordable rate, and I created this class in a way that all of the ingredients are very, very accessible for everyone. So all of my humps and I guess all of my challenges when I first took my Botanical Beauty Formulations course from abroad, I made sure that I'm able to turn that around for you guys. Alright? So let me just give you a brief introduction for our part A. I decided to split this up because the process is very, very different. If you are creating your lotions and creams, it's very, very different with your gels. And also, the materials and actives are quite different, like the emulsifier is different for your gels. So I decided to split this up, and it's also more financially friendly for everyone. So let me just run through the lessons for this course. So lesson 1 is this. It's going to be your basic lotion where you are going to be using 1 carrier oil and 1 essential oil and 1 hydrosol. So everything is basic. You need to learn how to make your emulsion come through the process first. Once you've covered that, we move on to lesson 2, which is your hemp and ilang-ilang lotion, wherein I used 2 carrier oils and more essential oils, and you can again use more hydrosols with this, or you can use distilled water if you don't have hydrosols. Okay, lesson 3 is this one. I created my Yuzu brightening eye cream, and this is very, very, as you can see, it's very rich. It's not runny at all, right? It's very rich. Smells amazing. Smells like chamomile, and it's really great to depuff your eye simply because of the hydrosols that I used. This is our lotion. It's very stable. It's very thick as well. And this has already been here for months. This is about a month. This is about weeks long. And this is lesson 4, wherein I used another or a different emulsifier because I wanted you to be able to spot the difference between the textures of using an alternative emulsifier. There are a lot of other available plant-based or eco-certified emulsifiers available in the industry. 2 years ago when I started my journey, it was very hard for us to get hold of this, especially if you want to purchase it in small quantities. It's impossible. So I think now is just the best time to have it because we Filipinos are already able to, get our hands on 100 gram each, so that's fairly good. So these two are just the same recipes but with different emulsifiers so that you can compare how each emulsifier may affect your desired outcome. Okay? And then for the 5th is, we will be having our conditioners. As you can see, I've been playing around with hair conditioners. And I will also be having a separate video lesson bonus for everyone. A separate bonus lesson for everyone on how you can troubleshoot your emulsions. Because honestly, sometimes some of my formulations are not successful. It's part of learning. The sooner you start with this journey, the sooner you will discover all those little intricacies all those little intricacies, all those little sensitivities in handling your emulsions, and from there you will learn. And I'm going to be teaching you how you can work around with some of the boo-boos, like what happened here. As you can see, it didn't really form. It's in triphase, which is not supposed to be. An emulsion has to be like this, in one entire homogeneous mixture. This one didn't really come through. There's the water phase here, some glop here, and some glop here. And this has been sitting for 3 or more days, and it's still like that. So this is it. This is a failed batch. And I normally don't throw out my failed batch until I figure out how to fix them. And it's always fun. It's a fun journey for me to discover and find my own way of remedying my failed batches. Okay, so this is another batch that went well, but this one I decided to color it. So I will also be teaching you that in our 5th class, and a bonus class on how you can do troubleshooting if your emulsion comes out as a fail. So I hope you enjoy my emulsions masterclass. This is something that's really dear and near to my heart because this is 2 years in the making. And I'm just very proud that we are having this class, and I hope you girls will enjoy it too. If you did, don't forget to shoot below some comments. I'd love to hear what you think, and share your formulations on our Viber community group. I wanted you to inspire your classmates, our community, and that's the reason why I'm also sharing some of my formulations there, because, you know, creativity sparks another one's creativity. Because your creativity sparks another person's creativity. Okay, so I hope to see you. So I'll see you in our course. Bye!